In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your search bar in Wix, specifically focusing on site search. If you've been experiencing issues with your Wix search bar not functioning properly, it might be due to your browser's cache, cookies, or other temporary internet files. This can often cause features on websites, including Wix, to behave erratically. Fortunately, fixing this is usually a straightforward process. Let's dive into this simple troubleshooting method to get your search bar back on track. First, you'll need to open your web browser and access its settings. Don't worry, this is easier than it sounds. Usually you can find the settings by clicking on the three-dot icon or the three horizontal lines, often located in the upper right corner of your browser window. This opens up a drop-down menu where you will see a Settings or Options link. Click on it, and it will take you into the main Settings menu where you can start making the necessary changes. Once you're in the settings, you need to locate the option that allows you to clear your browser's data, which includes cache and cookies. This is often found under a section labeled Privacy and Security, or something similar depending on the browser you are using. Once you find it, click on Clear Browsing Data or any similar tab that might appear. This step is crucial because over time, the accumulation of data like cache and cookies can interfere with website functionalities, including search bars. Next, you'll want to make sure you're selecting the appropriate checkboxes for clearing data. Generally, you'll want to clear your browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Be careful here. While clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, taking this step can resolve many issues caused by stored data. Ensure these boxes are checked and then confirm the action by clicking on Clear Data or a comparable button. After you've done this, go ahead and close and then reopen your browser for good measure. Once back online, navigate back to your Wix site. Try using the search bar again to see if the problem has been resolved. This method is a time-tested way to tackle any persistent issues that might have been plaguing your search bar. Remember, our browsers hold a lot of data over time, and giving them a fresh start every now and then helps in maintaining web performance. If these steps do not solve your issue, it might be a more specific problem with Wix itself, and you should consider contacting Wix support for further assistance. But for now, clearing your browser's cache data and cookies is a great first step in troubleshooting and often resolves the problem. Thank you for watching, and hopefully your Wix site search is now functioning smoothly.